When you search for the best dash cam, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to find a dash cam that truly meets your needs, you have to look a little deeper.
Product number 1. Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Priced at $107.99, this bad boy caught my attention with its dual camera setup and stellar 4K resolution. If you're after clarity and detail in your recordings, this is worth a serious look. The 4K resolution is huge. It means you can zoom in and easily identify details like license plates or faces, even from a distance. Plus, the Starvis 2 sensor ensures that low-light recordings are crisp, which is crucial for night driving. It comes with a free 128GB card, so you're set right out of the box. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clearly making waves. Now, some users pointed out that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though. Once you get everything set up, the camera performs beautifully. If you're not tech-savvy, you might find that part frustrating, but it's manageable with a little patience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dual camera system that performs well in all conditions. Skip this one if you prefer a simple front-only camera setup. At under $110, it's a solid investment for peace of mind on the road. Now, if the dual camera feature isn't your thing, the next product might actually be even better for those wanting comprehensive front and rear coverage.
Product number 2. Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam. We have the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam, which is a little pricier at $129.99. What really caught my eye was its impressive night vision and wide-angle view. If you want to capture everything around you, this one's worth considering. The 170-degree wide angle means you'll get a complete view of the road, which is perfect for those unexpected moments. The Starvis 2 sensor enhances low light performance significantly, giving you clear footage even when it's dark out. Plus, it includes a free card and features like GPS and 24-hour parking mode, which is a nice touch. With 9,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among buyers. However, some reviewers mentioned that the installation process can be tricky and might require a second person. Here's the thing though, once it's in, it's set and forget. If you're not too handy, you might find that a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for its high-quality features. This camera is perfect for you if you often drive at night or in dim conditions. Skip it if you need a simple setup with minimal features. For the price, the value you get is excellent. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love touch controls.
Product number 3, Red Tiger 4K Starvis 2 Dash Cam. The Red Tiger 4K Starvis 2 Dash Cam is next. It's packed with features, including voice control and a touchscreen. If you want a user-friendly experience, this is definitely worth a look. The touchscreen is responsive and makes navigating through settings super easy. With voice control, you can command the dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel, which is a huge safety benefit. The GPS feature is also handy for tracking your routes, and 128GB card included means you won't run out of storage anytime soon. With 8,000 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with buyers. On the downside, some users found the voice control to be a bit finicky, especially with commands, but honestly, once you get used to it, it becomes pretty intuitive. If voice commands aren't your thing, you might find it frustrating, but it doesn't overshadow the overall functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a tech-savvy dashcam that's easy to operate. Skip this one if you're not interested in voice features. For under $120, you're getting a lot of advanced technology. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, let's check out the next option.
Product number 4. The Galfi 4K Dashcam. The Galfi 4K Dashcam, which is surprisingly affordable at just $42.49. What grabbed my attention is its super night vision capabilities. If you're on a tight budget but still want quality, this is worth a glance. At this price, the 4K resolution is impressive, and the night vision feature means you won't miss important details after dark. It supports up to 256GB of storage, so you can record plenty without running out of space. With over 3,000 sold recently, it shows that budget-friendly doesn't mean compromising on quality. Some reviews do mention that the build quality feels a bit cheaper than higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something reliable on a budget, this camera delivers solid performance. Just don't expect the premium feel of more expensive models. This is perfect for you if you are looking for an affordable option that still offers good features. Skip this if you want a premium device with all the bells and whistles. For under $50, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if you want something compact that still performs well, the next product is definitely worth checking out.
Product number 5, Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. We have the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, priced at $99.99. What stands out is its ultra-compact design and automatic recording feature. If you're looking for something discreet that doesn't compromise on quality, this could be your pick. The 1080p HD quality captures clear footage, and the 140-degree field of view ensures you won't miss much. The voice control is user-friendly, making it easy to operate. Plus, the automatic recording feature means you won't have to worry about hitting the record button when something happens. It just does it for you. With around 3,000 sold recently, it's gaining popularity for its convenience. However, some users mentioned that the compact size means it lacks some advanced features like GPS. Here's the thing. If you want simplicity and ease of use, you might not miss those features. It's all about what you value in a dashcam. This is perfect for you if you want a small, easy-to-use camera that captures the essentials. Skip this if you need more advanced features like GPS. For under $100, it's a great choice for anyone seeking convenience.
We've got the Rove R2 4K for dual camera needs, the Red Tiger 4K for great night vision, the Red Tiger Starvis 2 for voice control lovers, the Galfi 4K for budget-conscious buyers, and the Garmin Mini 3 for those who want something compact. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.